Hey guys, this is my video note about ergonomics. I would like you to watch this video in its entirety and fill out the fill in the blank note that goes along with it. Because a lot of the answers that you see here will appear on your test once we get to your test. So, first of all, ergonomics, the word, is the study of how the physical health of workers is affected by their workplace. And again, a lot of people think when you're working with computers, how can you hurt yourself? How is that even possible? You're not lifting heavy objects. You're not doing anything particularly dangerous. But often a lot of computer related injuries or computer worker related injuries, they come from long-term impacts. Again, look at this picture of this man probably working in a computer chair holding his lower back, or again, a little kind of red kind of wrist bone. Both of those, again, are related to computer related injuries. Okay, so some ergonomic injuries. So when workplaces are not designed ergonomically, they can cause many types of injuries to employees. Musculoskeletal injuries, or MSI, which can be stress on the nerves, muscles, tendons, and other body parts due to repetitive tasks. Again, for example, carpal tunnel syndrome in the wrists. This comes from, again, typically typing on a keyboard that's not ergonomically correct and using improper form, and it can be very, very painful. You can also get eye strain, again, staring at a screen all day, headaches, tiredness. Computers on the inside are full of dust, actually. So you can have allergic reactions. Again, if you don't have the right chair or you're not sitting correctly in it, you can have backaches and poor circulation. Often, when we're working at a computer in our working life, in our adulthood, we're at a computer for a very long time and we're not moving. And that's not good for our muscles and our circulatory system. How do you prevent some of these injuries? Chairs should always have 5 legs for stability, a firm back. Cushioned is nice. They should allow for, again, elbows to be bent at a 90-degree angle, and about, depending on your height, 37.5 to 52.5 centimeters off the ground. Desks should be spaced to allow each worker enough room to work. Again, being tight and crammed isn't good for you. They should have smooth or rounded edges to prevent injury, a dull finish to reduce glare on the eyes. And there should be enough room under the desk to allow different seating positions, so you can move your legs around. Work environments should have good air circulation, and like even in my classroom, I always try and keep the door open and the window open to get a cross breeze to reduce dust and bacteria in the air. Again, KCI is older than Canada. There's a lot of dust here. They should be also clean to prevent the development of allergies, dust, mold. Again, and colors actually should be neutral and soft. No bright reds or bright greens. Computer and eye strain. The strain staring at a computer monitor puts on the muscles can negatively affect how you see, your vision, and your job performance. Your brain and your eyes are not meant to be focused on the same thing, especially a bright computer screen for a long time. 90% of people who work at a computer for more than 3 hours suffer from some type of eye problem. I think I'm experiencing it right now, to be honest. So dry eyes, red eyes, itchy eyes. And 60% of, there's been a 60% increase. That's the classroom bell. 60% increase in computer related vision complaints over the last 5 years. It's actually getting a lot worse because we're staring at not only our computer screens, but our cell phones too. Another issue that comes with, again, always staring at a screen is a lot of people are developing myopia. And another word for myopia is nearsightedness, which means you're really good at looking at what's right in front of you very close, but you can't see into the distance because, well, we're staring at a computer screen or, again, a cell phone screen all the time. Our eyes are actually changing and adjusting to only looking at things that are right in front of us. So a lot of us may need glasses in the future. But there are some new glasses that are meant to fight that, where, again, part of the glasses, the top part, is meant to be looking looking in the distance, and some of it is to be looking at a computer screen. So another thing, humans were not meant to do a one thing for a long time. Again, often in class, I always tell my computer students to stand up, stretch, move around. During COVID, I'm trying to take my classes on a walk at least once a day. Again, move around. It's a good thing for your body. Some things you can do to avoid eye strain. Again, there are ways of kind of limiting the glare, closing the blinds, or getting a special anti-glare screen you can put on top of your computer screen, and blinking regularly. A lot of people, like when they're staring at a screen for a long, long time, they don't blink. And you're blinking and closing your eyes is the body's way of re-moisturizing your eyes. And also taking mini breaks, looking away from the screen on occasion. Also, push your monitor further away. It should be about 20 to 26 inches away from you at any given time. Again, I'm not even actually following that rule right now. It's probably about 1.5 feet, maybe about 15 inches. And it should be slightly below or than horizontal eye level. So again, looking a little down. And also, again, even though we can't always do this, again, um, sorry, hit the wrong button there. Again, looking for a larger monitor. Again, the larger the monitor, the further away it can easily be, and you can still see it. Other things, putting your keyboard a little further away, about 8 to 12 inches away from the monitor, and 3 or 4 inches below the desk to allow room for maybe a document holder. Sometimes you'll see desks with little trays like this one here, where it's actually below the desk and it kind of slides in and out. Try and use, again, darker characters and a lighter background, kind of like what I'm doing right now, where I have a white background and black font. If the font color and the background are too close together, we really have to squint and focus to see what the words actually are. So make sure like there's a lot of contrasting colors, and importantly, because we should be doing this a lot during COVID, clean your computer screen regularly. Again, dirt and grime make it harder to see. Okay, and that is it for the note. So if you have any questions, make sure to just ask them in the comment stream. Have a good one.